watching maglalaro ako ng Iron Teeth demo pa lang siya. So, I'm not surprised about the background. Yeah, so let's start the game ng mga wali. So, this is my first video na nag-intro ako. Ay, hindi. My neighbors pa pala. Sorry. So, hello again mga watchings. So ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Hello Neighbors. Okay, so let's start the game na. Oh, dito na agad ako. Zombie. The pain. I was out for hunting for rabbits when I was swarmed by a group of zombies. Go get some medicine from doctor. Sosimov? Live down the road from here. Take this and be careful. Oh, okay. Tot. The pain. Oh, sorry. Wait lang ah. Okay, daga. Okay, fine. Yeah. So, boom. I got a shotgun. Okay, I can run. Wait, may stamina tayo.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
So, down the street. Walang jump. Okay. Ha! Weak.
Bruh.
Tapos, pumunta tayo sa kay Dr. Susumov. Hindi ko kilala. Basta Dr. Doctor na lang. May boss fight. Okay, okay, so it's a shooter horror game. Shooter horror game. Long range. Okay. This. Nagulat ako, hayop ka. F5. Hey, Dimitri. What are you doing at that time like this? You need some medicine from Ivan? For Ivan. I barely go out these days, too dangerous, but I'm safe in here with my girl.
A what?
Okay. Nothing can come between us. Figuring there's some Ivan, she's ultimate waifus. She always gives me the strength to keep going. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Take your time. About here. Wall. Okay. Grabe yun ah. Okay, so... Whoa! Tubig. Okay, I see. Okay yun. Uy! Hayop ka. What are you doing interrupting my bone smashing? My maxilla about to ascend via Wolf's Law. Soft tissue cope is for normies. Fat loss, skin wax, hair, transplants, many entities. Blue charts are bone smashing and basement. I'll hammer my own orbitals until they project like a slab god. Game Boy. Okay. I got the Game Boy. Never seen that coming. Okay. Okay, how about this store? Don't jump scare me, please lang. Oh. Ano mo, kurat ako sa'yo, hayop ka. Yup. Scripted lang to. Okay, bawal yung marinig. Ma'am, oh, shh. Ah! I thought you were Baba Yaga. I almost bit your apple pie. Okay, stop. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you sa jump scare, ah. Okay, jump scare. Wala, dami zombie, okay. Isa. Dalawa. Lima. Ay! Bawal. Okay. Whoa, I'm immortal like Ethan Winters. Okay. What should I do na? Oh, last house. Okay. Sana walang zombie. Tapos sana walang jumpscare, boy. Uy! Visit kayo, ah. Bibigyan nila ako heart attack. Mini small heart attack. Ah, wait. Ito lang flashlight. Yun. Okay. Tapos may boss fight. Aray ko. May boss fight talaga to. Hindi ganito kadali-dali yung Game Boy. Okay, wait. Yeah, and this isn't the game. O, kakasabi ko lang. Nakamit pala kayap. Okay, let's change the color muna. Ay, since blue ako, magpupunta din yan. Diba? Maganda. Blue tapos blue. Okay. Tapos sabi na! Woo! Wow, ano yan? I'm so ha! Weak! Don't tell me may isa pa. Muna tayo dun, boy. Grabe. Run! 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 Okay. Yes, done. Thank God. What? Oh? The end. Okay, so yun na nagtatapos yung Iron Tail ng awagin sa yeah, demo lang siya. So yeah, see you to the next video mga wating. So yeah, umuulan dito. And yeah, it's morning. For the first time ako ng morning. Nag-upload ako ng morning. Yes. So yeah, thank you for watching mga wating. So, good. Aru!